Guess where we are going?
Going camping, baby.
We are going camping! I'm so happy! And this is what hubby is carrying.
One night. This is all the stuff we're carrying.
We're gonna go glamping.
Let's go.
Let's
Saikung,
go.
Hampton Beach.
Kaya for today's video, pupunta kami ng aking asawa sa Saikung Beach dahil magka-camping kami. Ang tagal naming plinano, ang tagal naming gustong mag-camping pero palagi kaming nauudlot dahil nga sa weather or walang boat na pupunta sa Saikung. Pero ngayon, talagang tuloy na kahit anong mangyari. So, ayan nga, nag-taxi kami from Central to Saikung Pier, which took us like 45 minutes with traffic. Yeah, sa Saikung kasi medyo nagta-traffic, guys. Pero hindi naman ganun, hindi naman masyado. Pero, yeah, expect nyo na yung may traffic ng konti. At ito nga, alis na kami. Bye! Sobrang excited kami. Ayan, nakita niyo naman yung asawa ko. Ang ganang smile niya. At ito nga, on the way to Saikung, makikita niyo tong magagandang views na yan. Marami yan, guys. Hindi lang yan. Yung mga rock formation nila.
Big waves. Are you ready? We go to the second beach. There are 3 beaches.
OMG, that was quite a scary boat ride. Ayan. Dahil ang lakas po ng alon today, ayan, medyo natakot talaga ako. Pero I'm so thankful that we arrived here safe and sound. So, itong beach na to is yung Hampton Beach. Ayan. Dito lang talaga nag-i-stop yung mga boat. Hindi sila pumupunta dun sa beach, dun sa last beach na pagkakampingan namin. Ayan. Maganda din tong beach na to, guys. Pero mas gusto ko yung kabilang beach. Mas private kasi siya, tsaka hindi siya masyadong crowded sa tao. Ayan. So, we're on our way to buy our bottled water. Hindi kami nagdala ng bottled water kasi we decided nga na dito na lang kami bumili para hindi na namin bitin ng matagal. So, ayan. In case, guys, na wala kayong baon na pagkain or tubig at kahit anong maiinom, don't worry dahil meron restaurants dito sa Hampton Beach. And ayan nga, 10 minutes walk from Hampton Beach to Taiwan Beach. Ayan. We are on the way to our favorite beach. At ayan nga, on the way, makikita nyo yung mga friends natin dyan, yung mga baka. Oh. Ayan, behave lang sila, pero mamaya magjo-join sila sa amin. Dahil talaga namamasyal sila dun sa malapit sa beach. Ayan nga. Bumili na rin kami ng kahoy dyan, guys, dahil may nadaanan kami na bahay na nagtitinda ng mga woods for our campfire later. Ayan, dala-dala na ni hubby. And dahil nga malakas yung alon today, ayan, yung mga surfers nandito sila. Actually, nung first time ko na nakarating dito sa beach na to, feeling ko talaga wala ako sa Hong Kong. Feeling ko nasa Bali ako. Kahit na hindi pa ako nakarating ng Bali. Parang feeling ko, alam mo yun, yung nakikita ko sa mga pictures, tapos nung nakita ko itong Saikung Beach, sabi ko parang, Hong Kong pa ba to? As in, hindi ako makapaniwala. I'm done! I did my job! Coming here. Hubby, set up everything.
Yeah, now it's my job.
So, habang nag-chill nga ako dito, Ayan, nagtatrabaho naman ang asawa ko. At eto guys, bigyan ko kayo ng tip galing kay hubby na kapag magsisetup kayo ng tent sa sand, ayan, tanggalin nyo muna yung first layer ng sand kasi iyon yung mainit. Tapos, ayan, kapag natanggal nyo na yung first layer, ayan, mafe-feel nyo na mas malamig na yung sand. So, pwede na kayong mag-set up ng tent dyan sa ibabaw ng sand kung saan kayo hukay-hukay ng konti. And medyo ipatag-patag nyo na din siya para yung tutulugan nyo, especially kapag wala kayong air mattress, para hindi siya bumpy. And now, he's starting to set up the tent. Our 2 second setup tent. 1 and a half. 1 and a half. 1.7. 2 seconds. Ayan nga, syempre i-secure din natin yung tent. Kailangan nating ipin yan dahil medyo windy.
Because the wind is coming from this direction, we don't want the smoke in the tent. So that's why we put the tent there, fire here.
And the tarp?
The tarp probably...
Forget about it.
Gonna be here because again, you don't want to sit in the smoke.
Yeah.
So tarp here.
Sounds like a good plan.
Go for it.
At ayan nga guys, habang nagsiset up ng aming beach tarp, ang asawa ko, ayan, gagawa ako ng cocktail para sa aming dalawa. Ayan. Palagi kami nagbabaon ng cocktail kapag pupunta kami sa beach or magka-camping. Ayan, ang baon namin ngayon is rum and ginger ale beer. Because we are going for dark and stormy. Yes. Ayan, dahil hindi kami masyadong fan ng beer, hindi talaga kami nagbi-beer. Ayan, kaya every time cocktail ang dinadala namin.
Ready?
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Nga guys, malapit nang matapos ang pagsiset up ni hubby. Ayan, palagi kami nagdadala ng beach tarp kasi, ayan, minsan kapag gabi, lumalamig siya or masyadong mahangin. So, itong beach tarp, ginagamit din namin as windbreaker. So, ayan. At eto, tutulong na ako dahil, ayan, masyado nang matagal kapag yung asawa ko lang. Kaya, tutulungan ko na siya para mapadali na yung aming trabaho at makapag-relax na kami. At ito nga, sinet up niya na ang aming table at pagkatapos nga is-set up ko na din ang aming mga pagkain. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga dinadala namin kapag nagka-camping. Lahat na...
So, here we got the end result. We have a nice tent here. Then here's going to be down there is going to be the fire pit. Let's see, there. For our barbecue. We got the beach tent all set up. Of course, beautiful view on the sea. Nice cool breeze. Here, okay, let's see what kind of food Cheryl brought here. Oh,
Yay!
what is this?
We have our meat for barbecue, of course, vegetables, we have asparagus, and hubby's favorite,
The shiitake.
shiitake mushroom. And we have our spices here. We have all the spices
Oh,
here
yeah.
in one bottle.
Multi-spice bottle. And some snacks.
Eggs, we have our, what's this?
Oh yeah, the gas stove.
Gas stove.
Their own gas bottles. Yeah. Oh, and we have, of course, some noodles, cup noodles.
We have cup noodles.
Can always save the day. Yeah, so we're gonna enjoy now. See you later. We're gonna sit here and enjoy this view here from our tent on the beach. So I went into the water, but at the same time, oh, what are we making?
Tuna sandwich, mayonnaise, with egg.
Ooh. Cheryl is going to experiment. She has a bag with mayonnaise. She's gonna throw everything in the bag. And then she's gonna shake it like a Polaroid picture. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. If this works, we found out a big life hack. Okay, here we go. Oh my god.
Yummy. And we're gonna add black pepper.
I hope the bag doesn't explode. Good.
Instant sandwich
Oh my
spread.
god.
Now,
You're gonna cut it in the corner?
what we're
You're gonna do it?
We're just gonna cut this here,
Yep.
corner.
Not too big.
We're just gonna add the spread. Cracker.
I love this idea. Okay, babe. Perfect. Enjoy. Yeah, you taste first. Good?
Super.
Bye. Let's eat. Stop.
At ayan, pagkatapos namin kumain at makapagpahinga ng konti, nagaya naman ng asawa ko na maglaro. Ayan, frisbee ang tawag dyan. Frisbee ba? Basta. So, ayan. Palagi kami naglalaro kapag nasa beach para may mapaglibangan man lang at para makapag-exercise na din. Ayan, kagaya nga ng sabi ko from my first vlog, ayan, we need to stay active. Kita niyo naman, lalo yung asawa ko, tingnan mo, medyo lumalaki na siya. Medyo lumalaki na.
Through there.
At palagi niya akong sinisisi. Dahil daw ang sarap-sarap kong magluto. Kasalanan ko ba yun? Siya naman, kain naman siya ng kain. Yan. Pero nag-workout yan, guys. Nag-gym siya every like 3 to 4 days a week. Pero talagang lumalaki siya. Hindi na mapigilan. After namin magpapawis, ayan, naglaro naman kami sa tubig. Nakita niyo naman, parang mga bata lang kami. Ganyan lang kami ng asawa ko. Oh. Relax, relax lang. Ine-enjoy lang namin ang moment. Naghaharutan. Enjoy lang. So ayan, itutuloy na namin ang aming paghaharutan. Kaya, see you guys on the second part. Bye!